Hey toy fans, welcome to Big Boys Toys, where we feature the coolest machines that money can buy. Today we're standing in front of a Tubeline Nitro 375RS. This thing slings manure, lime, and anything else you want to throw in it like a champ. Great for medium to large size farms, great for tractors over 100 horsepower. Today we're going to go through all the options that make this thing a beast. So stay tuned, follow along, and let's get into it. So we're looking at the Nitro 375RS Tubeline, a manure spreader that's tough as nails but sized just right for the little guys. We're talking 410 cubic feet of capacity, vertical beaters, and a guillotine gate that means business. Check this out, robust 5/8 inch apron chains, a lifetime chain warranty, and those 34-inch beaters ready to shred anything you can throw at them. It's yellow, it's mean, and it's ready to roll. Let's fire it up and let's see what this boy can do. See this? Even coverage, no mess. And if you're into precision, you can add a scale system later with the optional scale-ready axle. This is small farm power with big farm vibes. So what makes the Nitro 375RS a Big Boys Toys favorite? First, those vertical beaters. They're removable, so this thing doubles as a rear discharge trailer when you're not spreading. Genius, right? Second, the guillotine end gate. It's adjustable, letting you control the flow like a pro. And third, that lifetime apron chain warranty. Tubeline's got your back for the long haul. The beauty of the Nitro 375RS is that it has consistent speed, no clumps, and is just a perfect blanket of nutrients. Those beaters are spinning at full tilt, and the tandem axle trailer is keeping it steady even on rough ground. I'm loving how compact this thing is. Low loading height means it's easy to fill, but it still packs a punch. There you have it, folks, the Tubeline Nitro 375RS. Proof that big things come in small packages. It's built tough, spreads like a dream, and turns your farm chores into a toy story. Want one? Hit us up at bigboystoysllc.net or reach out to one of our 2 locations located in Pomfret Center, Connecticut or New Boston, New Hampshire. If you loved this, smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. We've got more toys coming your way. What's your favorite farm gadget? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, keep playing big. See ya.